Let us learn about the animals name. Animals we are in Hindi we can call it as जानवर. Okay, जानवर, पालतू जानवर और जंगली जानवर. पालतू जानवर, जंगली जानवर. पालतू जानवर means domestic animals. Okay, jangli janwar means wild animals. The mixing of wild animals and domestic animals we are going to see here. Here animals. Okay, the name of animals. Here the first one is oont. Oont means camel. Oont means camel. Here kutta. Kutta means dog. Kutta means dog. Okay, kutta guides our house. Kutta घर की रक्षा करती है. Okay, then खरगोश. खरगोश means rabbit. Okay, खरगोश हमेशा गाजर खाती है. Okay, rabbit always eat carrot. Then gada. Gada means donkey. Gada means donkey. Gada जुलाहा की. Okay, दोबिन की मदद करती है. Okay, donkey helps the washerman to lift the cloths. Then गाय. गाय means cow. Okay, here we are saying that it is a female which gives a sweet milk. Then गिलहरी. गिलहरी means squirrel. गिलहरी means squirrel. Then सियार. सियार is jackal. Okay, jackal is a jungly जानवर, wild animal. Then gaunda. Gaunda means rhinoceros. Okay, then gaurgar. Gaurgar means zebra which are having straight lines in her body. Then goda. Goda means horse. Here goda tej chalta hai. Okay, the horse runs fastly. Then cheetah. Cheetah, leopard. Cheetah, leopard. Okay, leopard climbs the tree. cheetah पेड़ में जा सकती है, चढ़ सकती है. Then चूहा. चूहा means rat. Okay, चूहा means rat. Here बंदर. बंदर monkey. We all know बंदर is monkey. केला बंदर को बहुत पसंद है. Okay, monkey likes bananas. Then here binds. Binds means buffalo. Binds means buffalo. Then the 15th one, see, bakra. Bakra is goat. Then another one is bed. Bed also means sheep. There is a difference between goat and sheep. Then 17th one is billy. Billy means cat. Billy दूध पीती है. Cats drink milk. Then bail. Bail means ox. Okay, ox. Then 19th one is bog. Bog means tiger. Okay, tiger. Then 20th one is bedia. Bedia means wolf. Then makar. Makar means crocodile. There are two names for lion. Lion is the king of the forest, you know. Okay, lion is the king of the forest. Here sim and sher. Sher. Okay, two names for lion. Then swar. Swar means pig. Then 24th one is hiran. Hiran mrg. Hiran mrg. These are the two names for deer. Okay, which has long legs, runs fast. Then 25th one is hathi. Hathi means elephant. Okay. Then 26th is giraffe. Giraffe is giraffe. Okay. Then 27th is lomdi. Lomdi means fox. Once again I will clear you. Oont. Oont means camel. Kutta, dog. Then kargos, rabbit. Gada, donkey. Guy, cow. Gilhari. I am returning the pronunciation in English also. It is easy to pronounce you and clear you. Gilhari, squirrel. Siyar, jackal. Gouda. Okay, Gaunda means rhinoceros. Gogar means zebra. Goda, horse. Cheetah, leopard. Chuha means rat. Bandar, monkey. Binds, buffalo. Okay, here Bakra, two types of goats and sheep. Bakra means goat, Bain means sheep. Here also next Billy means cat. Bail means ox. Here Bag means tiger. Bedia means wolf, and Magar means crocodile. Sing, Ser, two names for lion. Then Swar means pig. Hiran, Mrug. Okay, two names for deer also. Then Hathi means elephant. Giraffe means giraffe. Lomdi means fox. Okay, these are the some important wild and domestic animals we have to learn in Hindi. Okay.